And finally, something completely different. SolidWorks Visualize is already a class-leading tool to get poster quality imagery and videos. Now, thanks to artificial intelligence from NVIDIA, that process is dramatically faster using the new Denoiser tool. Visualize uses machine learning to anticipate and eliminate noise in the scene, the small areas you usually have to wait ages to resolve. What does this mean? Well, you can expect the same high quality results around 10 times faster. Yes, 10 times. And check out these other images when using the new Denoiser, all completed 10 times faster.